On a brand new morning, my friends. Today we're going to build a stunning new home. Let's get started. At the start of the first stage, this worker will apply glue to the edges of the base that we had previously secured at the beginning of the stage. Then begins the stage of securing the vertical panels onto the glue applied beneath the base, while also reinforcing them with thin nails. Another worker places a circular wooden piece on top and fastens the vertical panels together with nails, creating a solid bond between them. After placing the wooden piece, it is secured to the previous one with nails from both the outside and the inside. Now we are cutting out the space for the house's door using a saw. Now we begin the upper middle stage. A circular section has been created which will sit perfectly in the center of the room. They then begin installing load-bearing planks and securing them into the circular structure like table legs. The structure is lifted and the circle is reinforced from all sides to strengthen it for load support. Now begins the process of installing the slanted planks, securing them at close intervals and covering them with wooden pieces. This stage is carried out with extreme precision, as any flaw in the planks could lead to the entire structure coming apart. Each time they complete a section, they carefully inspect it before moving on to the next. Once the lower part of the roof is completed, they seal the upper section with small pieces, after insulating it, of course. Here, the worker trims away the excess edges of the roof. Now, they seal the small openings in the house using foam tubes. From the outside as well, they seal the gaps between the panels. Afterward, the excess foam is carefully cleaned away. After that, they lift the final circular piece onto the house and secure it firmly with nails. We now move on to the first wrapping stage, which is carried out in two phases. The second phase provides protection against rain and dust. This is the second and final phase of wrapping the house.
Here, the piece is lightly heated to fit seamlessly with the outer curve.
Additional wooden planks have also been added on the inside to reinforce the outer layer against natural elements as it supports the entire structure. Now comes the stage of installing the transparent plastic, which gives the appearance of glass. Now they trim the excess fabric from the structure after it has been securely fastened with pins. This is the piece that will close the roof after the plastic has been installed on it. It is now being prepared for installation. Here comes the truck loaded with insulating cork panels for the roof, and the workers are now unloading it. The panels are cut to fit the gaps in the roof, so they can be installed in their designated spots.
Now they apply adhesive on the underside, while one person holds the panel from above and another secures it with nails. Here, the door installation specialist places the outer frame and balances it with a scale before securing it. Once aligned, it is fastened with nails from the sides.
After installing the outer frame, the door is easily fitted into place. Inside, the workers continue with the installation process. After installing the outer door frames, the specialist seals the side gaps of the frame using foam tubes. The workers are now carrying out the final stages of insulation from the inside.
Now, to change the appearance of the exterior door and install the frames, enjoy watching.
Inside, this worker is cleaning away the excess foam in preparation for installing the final wooden panels. Now begins the installation stage. Enjoy it with me. After completing the work, the interior is also wrapped and long rods are installed, extending from the top of the ceiling up to the top of the walls. Additional rods, slightly angled, are also installed for decoration as well as structural interlocking. We are now nearing the completion of the house, and you'll see the final look at the end of the video. Enjoy, and don't forget to hit the like button.